Here we have example 2-4. We'll talk about a U-tube manometer. So basically what we want to do, we want to find out what the pressure inside of this tank is based on our U-tube manometer that we have here. So what we'll have to do is we'll start at E, where we know that the gauge pressure is 0. Then we're going to go down to D. From D we can go to C and then back up to B and to A. Alright, so let's start with the pressure at point D. Right, so we can say PD would have to be, if we say the gauge pressure, right, so we leave out atmospheric pressure, so we just have to, all we have left would be gamma prime, which is the liquid in the specific weight of this liquid, times the depth, H times dE. That's the pressure that we have at point E. Now, if we want to go to point C, right, then we could say like, well, we need to know what this distance is. But we know that we're going the same distance back up. So we know that PC is equal to PD because they're at the same height. And we know that if they're at the same height, it's the same pressure if there's the same liquid. Right, so that's still gamma prime times HdE. So now if we want to go from C to B, then we go upward. So let's say PB. That would be PC. If we're going upwards, it's negative, right? But it's getting less pressure. And the distance there is HBC. And the specific weight is now gamma. We know what PC is, right? PC was just gamma prime times HdE, and then we still have to subtract gamma times HBC. So that's now the pressure at B, and if we want to have the pressure at A, well, pressure A and pressure B have to be the same because they're at the same level. So PA is going to be equal to PB, and that was gamma prime times HdE minus gamma times HBC. Right, that's how we walk through these things. Right, so whenever we have these kind of pressure problems, we just have to make sure that we know one of the pressures and we can start walking through. Or maybe we know two pressures and we have to figure out what the heights are or something, right? But we always start at one end where we have a pressure and then walk through our entire system.